Hello guys, so today we are going to be making this. This is the wall pocket. So it's on page 25 if you're using the Google Doc book, which is, I printed it off and just bound it up. So we're going to construct an oblong. It's going to be 6 by 8 inches. I've already done that, so 6 inches on these sides and 8 inches on the top. It's a rectangle. We're going to place dots at the top and bottom at 2 inches. All right, so we're placing dots on the top and bottom at 2 inches. So 2 inches, 2 inches. We're going to draw a line. Place dots on the left and right at 3 inches. Three inches, 3 inches, and I'm going to draw another line. All right, place dots on the vertical line at 2 and 4 inches. So this one is the vertical line and this one would be horizontal. So 2 and 4. Draw to the center point at the left, so that would be here. Okay, now we're going to draw to the center point at the right. And this is a dashed line. For a fold to center point at the right. All right, place a dot on the top at 3.5 inches. So 3.5. Draw a line to the 2-inch dot on the vertical line. So we're drawing from here to here. And to the point on the right. So now we're going to draw from here to here. Place dots on the bottom at 3.5 and 6. Draw to the vertical line here. Oops. And then to this point here. There you go. All right, now we're also going to draw to this point from here, and it's a dashed line. All right, now we're going to place a dot on the center line 1 inch from the left. That's for our hole. Now we're going to cut this out. So we're going to cut this part off, this part off, this part off, and this part off. So we're going to cut that out. Okay. Cut and fold. Paste the lap outside, trimming the edge if necessary. So, fold on the dotted lines. And then we're going to paste that right there. Good old Elmer's school glue here. It says to paste it on the outside. So I'm just gonna glue that up. hold it for a minute. Elmer's glue really sucks. But I also have some tape. We'll tape it. We'll hold it together until the glue dries. Come on. Elmer glue should not be sold. It doesn't work. Alright. Now right here on this dot we're going to hole punch. Why is my hole punch always missing? Alright, going to hole punch. There. And then you can hang it up and slide something into it. There we go. Nice little wall pocket. You could even hang your scissors in it.